Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Farm Life and Fun with JJR. And today I'm going to take you a tour of our farm. So I'm going to take you a tour as I take care of the animals. And here's our sister with our kitty. And over here, as you guys probably remember from one of the first videos we released, is our bunnies. And we got the little one right there is Olivia. And the one behind her is her mom, Snowball. And right there is Midnight. And over here is Lucky or Taliza. He's the daddy right there, that little gray one. He's the daddy of the, I'll show you in a minute. And right there is Big Mama, and she's the mom of pretty much everybody.
And
that's
very
why.
Sassy.
Huh?
And very sassy.
Yeah. And in here,
Silver.
and my sister wants to show you something, is Silver's
Babies. All 14 of them.
Yep. 14. She had 14. Actually, she had 15, but one died. But that's pretty good for 15. She's gonna get you a really cute one.
This is one of my favorites. She looks just like her mother. Little patch around her eye and everything.
Huh. I think Leo's jealous down here. This is Leo, our cat. Yep, and we are not know what to name this one yet, but
I think we're gonna call her Silver Jr.
Silver Jr. Because she looks just like her mommy.
Let her see the camera.
The camera sure to see her.
She is a show rabbit, just like her mother.
Yep, and look at our mommy. Hey, mommy. She's a really sweet bunny too. This is Silver, my sister's bunny. Anyway, those are our babies, and there's also another small litter over here. I don't know if she's gonna still have them or not, but we only have one, and it's in here in its fur. There it is. Only this little tiny one. So cute. Alright, let's leave this one be with the fur back and top. So they do pull fur from their scarf around their neck. You see that little big puff ball right in front of her neck right there? All of that fur right there she pulls for her babies. They pull more fur when it's colder out. So anyways, with that said, I'm gonna let my sister finish taking care of the bunnies, and I'm going to show you the chickies over here. Now, you guys never seen the chickies for a little while, but we did get a new chickie batch from in the incubator. I think we got 21 in there, and it came out with like 19 or something like that, which is pretty good for our first one. So you might see some of them outside the fence, but even with their wings clipped, they still fly a little bit out. But don't worry, they still go back in. Anyway, here's the chickies, and you can see which one's the new ones, because the ones that are newer are more white and a little bit smaller. So that's a new one there. I would zoom in to show you. That's a new one. And the old ones look like that. And we do have a new rooster, as you guys saw in a couple videos ago. Alright, I'll take care of the chickie wickies as you guys watch. Alright, I'm back, and I got a little 5-gallon bucket here. And I'm going to feed the chickies. Now, as you guys remember in the very first videos, we fed them by fermenting chicken feed, right? But the reason why we stopped doing it is because... No, well, we're stopped doing it for now. But the thing is, we need a lot of buckets for that process. And the problem is, we don't have that many buckets anymore because we're moving to a new place. And We have some animals there who need a lot of water, like big livestock. And, yeah. So that's the reason why we stopped doing it, just for a little bit. But we're gonna go right back to it once we get more buckets.
Situated.
Yeah. Okay, I feel about like halfway there. Alright, next I'm gonna give this to the chickies, but first, one more thing. My sister needs something. What was it again?
Alfalfa pellets.
Okay, right, she needs alfalfa pellets.
Catch.
Catch what? Silly.
I think it is.
Oh man, we closed it. Then I have to go all the way back in there and get the alfalfa pellets.
I can't exactly lock it.
Alright, let's go get it. So the alfalfa pellets is over here. In this little container. Something ain't right here. Hello? This is what I deal with every day, guys.
Sorry, there's a spider on my neck.
Come on, hurry up and unlock it.
I'm
doing a video here.
I feel it on my back.
There's nothing on your back. Nothing at all.
Daddy Longlegs.
You're totally safe, don't worry.
I want it. Where is it?
We're good.
Oh, by the way, those babies out there, spider web, sorry, are only a few days old. And they are adorable. And that's the mist.
And here we are. Let me give them some chickie pellets. Okay. There you go. Breakfast time. Okay. Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed this episode. And until next time, bye-bye for now.
This is the most poisonous spider in the world.
Yeah.
Luckily, its teeth aren't big enough to bite people. It just eats mosquitoes.